When we talk about suspense in film, we usually think of fast editing or dramatic action. But in Nicolas winding Refn's drive, the opening getaway shot shows how sound itself can become the main driver of tension. This scene contains almost no dialogue. Instead, the soundscape takes over. The ticking stopwatch, the steady hum of the engine, and the chatter of police scanner guides our attention and creates unease. Every sound functions as a signal, raising the stakes without a word being spoken. Music plays an equally important role. Rather than a typical high-energy action score, Refn uses chromatic stick of the clock. Its minimal and pulsing rhythm mirrors the driver's own personality. Calm, methodical, and detached, the music shapes how we experience the sequence, not as spectacle, but as a strategy. Suspense also comes from contrast. Long stretches of near silence make ordinary sound feel amplified. A squeak of shoes, the chop of helicopter blades, or the roar of a crowd leaving the basketball game. Each sound becomes decisive, tipping the balance between exposure and escape. By the end of the sequence, the driver succeeds without relying on speed or violence. The real engine of suspense isn't action at all, it's sound. In Drive, the sound design isn't a background detail, it's the catalyst that transforms a simple getaway into pure action.